Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Frank Jimenez with the BUILDERALL team. In this video, you will learn how to work with anchors inside Cheetah. Let's get started. So what is an anchor? Anchors work very well in your single page websites where you have a lot of information on that one single page and you want to be able to navigate your site visitor to that specific area of your website. Let's go take a look at the menu. So here we have Home, About, Benefits, Services, and Contact. Now we're going to be focusing on these three areas here. So if I were to click on Home, we want your site visitor to return back to the top of the page. If I scroll down, you're going to see About the main product and Service. And the next one is going to have the advantages or benefits of the actual service or product. Now if I go up to the very top again, we have the Home area. So if I right click on this panel, the Properties menu will pop up. So let's go ahead and go down here, select Advanced, and now we have the Anchor option. Let's go ahead and make it active. You can go in here and name it. It's already named, and you're all set. Now you don't have to select Save as Personal Element unless you're looking to save and use this anchor in the future. Let's go down to this area here where we have About the main product or service. Again, if we right click, go down here, select Active, and we're set. So it automatically saves. If you want to check to make sure, just right click again and you'll see that the check mark remains. Now let's go down here where you have the advantages and benefits. Now let's right click on this one here, go to Active, and as you can see, I've keyed in or typed benefits. Alright, now let's go up to the menu bar. Now let's left click on the menu bar, and then let's go ahead and select Configure Items. Here is where you can go in and assign specific links to those anchors. So for example, we have our Home area. Let's go ahead and click on this link here. Select Anchors from the drop-down menu, and then go here and select Home. Let's go and do the same thing for the About. And then we have the Benefits area. Let's go ahead and click on the link icon, down to Anchors, and then let's select Benefits. Select Save. All we have to do next is go save it. Okay, so now that the page is live, all your site visitors would have to do is just click on the home page, and it is going to keep them right in this area here. Now if you go up here to About, it'll take them to the About area of the page. If I go back up to Benefits, now it is going to take me down to the Benefits area. Okay, now there's one more other thing that I'd like to show you. So again, if you scroll down, right, you would think, well, what good is it to click on the Home button if I'm already scrolled up to the very top of the page? So let's go ahead and go back into our editor. What you could do is simply right click here at your header and then go down again to Advanced. Now here you're going to notice there's some options here for sticky header. You can go ahead and select it for your desktop as well as your mobile and your tablet. When you go up to the very top and select Save and then go Live, this is the results that you get. When you scroll down, your header with your menu scrolls down with you. So if I go up here to the Home area, select Home, again, it's going to take me to the very top, and then same thing for Benefits. It's taking me to the Benefits area. Now I can continue scrolling down or up. And that is how you work with anchors inside Cheetah. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the BUILDERALL team.